Your local weather update with Nicholas Driver and the Star 9 Alabama weather team.
Good Tuesday evening. Thank you for tuning in here with us at Star 9 Alabama. My name is Nicholas Driver, and we are glad to have you. While it's been very cold out there for many of us, we are beginning to sound like a broken record for sure. But we are expecting a slight warm up by your Wednesday before a couple more rain chances come in by your Wednesday evening, and so on. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a moment. Getting a look at your ready weather headlines. Like I said, starting to sound like a broken record with these cold temperatures, and that is going to continue. Slight chance of rain possible through your Wednesday night going into your early Thursday morning. Biggest chance will be this weekend. And stay warm. Remember your 4 pet peeves. We'll explain you that here in just a moment. Local conditions across the region. Many of us are sitting in those upper 20s and lower 30s with clear skies across the area. So enjoy this nice weather. Just bring a heavy coat with you at that. Many of us are staying dry as well with cloud-free conditions, as I mentioned earlier. Just a little bit of ground clutter on the radar, and we're not expecting much at all throughout the rest of tonight. We're going to be dealing with clear skies. Some frost is light or possible. A hard freeze is likely. Temperatures are going to be sitting in those lower 20s, 23. Some of us could be in the teens by midnight tonight, and as you wake up for your Wednesday morning. Precipitation chances at 0. Winds will be gusting from the southeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Forecast lows across the region tonight are going to be staying around the 20s and the teens. Most of us will be in between 23 to 25. With some colder temperatures again around the teens. Forecast wind chill for the rest of tonight is not as bad as we've dealt with, but they're going to be sitting around the 20s and again the teens as well. Hour by hour looking ahead, 8 p.m. we're at 33 degrees. By the time we get to your 10 p.m. hour frame, we're going to be around 30 degrees. By 11 through 1 a.m., we'll steadily drop into those mid and lower 20s. And here's your weather impacts. Bitter cold. Here's ways you could prepare. Be sure to be aware of people, pets, plants, and pipes. Know what to do to keep those safe. Watch generators. Have heaters turned up and have them ready. Have extra blankets on hand. And while it's not cold enough just yet, hypothermia is something you need to know about. And here's what we're tracking across the area. CPC temperature outlook is showing just slightly above average temperatures for much of the area after December 9th, going through December 13th. We are expected to warm up before cold fronts. After cold fronts are going to bring cooler temperatures at that, which will cool us back down for your December. CPC outlook for precipitation is showing us just a little bit above average, as again those systems are going to bring that much needed rain across the area. Next 4 days are going to stay dry, other than your Wednesday night going into your Thursday. A couple again isolated to scattered showers are possible there. Wednesday will be at 55, Thursday 43, Friday 42, and Saturday 52. Star model here is showing that chance for those very scattered rain showers across the area. NAM is what we're using here, and most of the rain is not going to be expected to move into the area until Wednesday night, and that's going to be very isolated rain with the chance for us to wake up Thursday morning with those isolated rain showers continuing. By your weekend, the GFS is forecasting another pretty big system with a potent cold front behind it that's expected to move through, bringing the much needed rain, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, but that's by Sunday evening. That storm system really gets its act together, and by Monday, we'll see the most of the rain move in. By then, up to 1 inch to 2 inches could be potentially possible with this system. All in all, here's your 5-day forecast or 5-day outlook. Wednesday, again, is going to be pretty warm than what we've been dealing with, but windy. By your Thursday and Friday, we're going to continue with the windy conditions. Much colder Thursday. Friday will be at 42 degrees. Saturday, 52. Sunday, 57 before another cold front sweeps through and cools us right back down. Thank you for trusting Star 9 Alabama. My name is Nicholas Driver, and we are glad to have you here. Have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday evening.
Thank you for trusting Star 9 Alabama for your local weather updates.